Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this new video. Today, I will discuss about MREC reviews of Canada and United States. In this video, you will get to know whether this website is a legit or a scam. So, stay tuned with me. By the end of the video, you will definitely get your answer. This is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website before, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer to this question: should I buy from it or not? If you have ever experienced any fraud over this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer to this question: should I buy from it or not? If you have ever experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end and I will show you the way to get your money back. Now let's check what this website deals with. This website is an online shopping site which offers all sorts of women's clothing. Now we'll check some of their products. So we are checking the maxi dresses collection. So here they have given different design and styles of dresses. So you can check it by visiting to their official website. Also, they have given discount on all these products. Next, I will talk about the other details of this website. So if you want to know their mode of payment, they have given it here. You can pay through PayPal. Next, we'll check their shipping policy. So the shipping timing varies according to the location. If it is in US and Canada, the free shipping timing is 8 to 15 business days. And if it is under express shipping, the timing is 5 to 10 business days. In UK, the standard shipping is 6 to 10 business days and the express shipping timing is 3 to 5 business days. Next, I will talk about the legitimacy checkpoints on the basis of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam. But before going further, I request you all to like this video, share the video and hit the bell icon to subscribe to our channel, as it will boost our spirit to bring more informative and exciting videos for you in the future. This website is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means the payment gateway is totally safe and secure. And we have also checked the domain information. The domain has been registered on 21st of April 2020 and will expire on 21st of April 2021. Now we'll check their About Us page section. So as you can see, this website doesn't have any About Us page section. So we'll check their contact details. So in this part, they have only given their email address. They haven't mentioned their physical address or their contact number. So this is a huge drawback. Next, we'll check their return policy. So here they have said that you can return the item within 14 days. And about the refund, so they haven't given any exact time about the refund. They have only said that once they get the item, they will refund your money. Now let's talk about social media presence. This website has social media presence over Facebook and on Instagram. Now let's know about the main point, which are the reviews. So according to our research, we have found few reviews in a trusted website named Trustpilot with a 2.5 rating. One customer has said that this website is an absolute scam. Another one has said that do not order from them ever. She has also mentioned it as a scam and said that her order took over 1 month and it was not as it was advertised. Also, this website has really low trust scores and the content quality is also plagiarized. So after going through the above discussion and the points, it can be said that this website is a non-recommendable. So we ask you to do your own research before buying from this website. You can get your money back by checking our link in the description area. Do comment your thought on this video. We read all your comments over every video, so please keep commenting. Like this video, share the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel today. Be informed, be safe.